Want a simple and easy Christmas crochet project? Look no further than this Christmas tree hanger. I'll show you how to create this in less than 5 minutes. For this project you'll need 5 beads, yarn and a 6mm crochet hook, white yarn, scissors and a darning needle. To start our project, create a slip knot. Do this however you feel comfortable. Next we're going to chain 100. To do this, yarn over and pull through the loop. Continue like this until you have 100 chains. Okay, so now that we've done 100 chains, we're going to chain 2 to create our turning chain. We're going to half double crochet into the 3rd loop from the hook, right here. Yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through. Yarn over, pull through all 3 loops on your hook. I'll do this again with you. Yarn over, insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops, yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops on your hook. Continue like this and I'll meet you at the end of the row. Now we're at our last half double crochet. We're going to complete this as we did all the other stitches. Chain 1. Now we're going to cut the yarn and pull your hook out. Grab your darning needle and weave in the ends. I like to do this on the back of the stitches we just created. This is the perfect project for you to practice on because we won't be seeing the back of the work later on. Grab your cream or white coloured yarn and thread your darning needle. Now we're going to arrange our half double crochets into a Christmas tree shape. Space your 5 beads evenly. You can use whatever wooden beads you like for this project. I got these ones from Spotlight. As long as your darning needle fits in the hole, you're all good. From the bottom of the tree, thread your first bead. Gauge the middle of your tree and thread between the middle of the half double crochets. Continue like this until you get to the top of the tree. Create a loop at the top of your tree. Now thread back down the same spaces and through the beads. Don't pull it too tight so you still have enough of a loop at the top so you can hang it. Cut the yarn. Tie a knot at the end so the bead doesn't fall off. You can also tie a knot at the top if you don't want the beads to move too much. And there you have it, a simple and easy Christmas tree hanger. Thanks for watching, like, comment and subscribe for more videos.